I hail everybody where they watch me today. This news where I carry comment now about one Reverend Sister. In fact, this one surprised me. This Reverend Sister just survived from bandits' hand. We gather say this woman decide say she dey travel with night bus. I don't know wetin dey with her with night bus. Morning bus go dey there, but because of say una dey find something, I don't know wetin I dey find for night. And I go carry na say I won't go enter night bus. Now there auntie and carry am dey say as they reach Akara Junction, in fact names dey. Say na there their motor spoil for road. They say the motor no gree move. Now there they come say okay, make they stay there relax now till the next day. Before they go see early momo na there all these Fulani headsmen have been a bandit. I go call them, come carry themselves, come attack them, and say as be they tell them say if you know if you pay for your life, you go pay with your life. That means if you don't get money to take pay to escape from that place, now death now remain. My people beg, make now join me watch.
I took night bus from Lagos. Then when we got Akara Junction, our car got spoiled there. We passed night inside that car. Around early morning, 6:30 to 7 in the morning, we saw some men. They came out from the bush with their guns shooting, and they surrendered us with their guns. They collected our bags and the money and our phones. Then after some time, they told us to follow them inside the bush. We followed them inside the bush. They tied they used clothes and tied our face, our eyes. After sometimes they started calling us one after the other. I was the last person they called. They're not asking me, where am I coming from? Where am I going? I told them that I'm coming from Lagos and I'm going to village for my husband's burial. They not asked me, my husband burial. I said yes. They said, how many children do I have? I said, I have 2 kids. They are small. They now asked me, what am I doing? Which business am I doing in Lagos? I told them that I'm a granite seller. I do sell granite there. They asked me, how many sisters do I have? I told them that I have 3. We are about 3 of us. Then they said, my senior sister, which business is she doing? I said that she's selling bread in the village. The other one, the last sister, they asked me which one business. They said she stays secondary school. They said okay. They then asked me, which do I know them? I said no, I don't know you people. So after some time, they said okay. Hence I don't know that they are kidnappers. I said okay. That they kidnapped me here in order for me to give them money. If I really love my life, I should give them money. Or if I didn't have money, I would pay with my life. I said okay. They asked me, then how much will I give them? And I asked them back, how much will it take? They said they need 10 million. I said 10 million. I said 10 million is too much. I don't have it. Then I said, okay, how much will I give them? I said okay, so I will give you people 500,000. Say 500,000. Say 500,000 is nothing. So that was I have. Okay. After they asked me, then who will pay the money? So I will call my senior sister. She will go around the village and start begging people for that. Say, go and sit down, you fool. That night, around 7:30, around 7:30, it was raining heavily. So they went their operation again. They brought another man there. So then when they brought that man, they collected everything the man was having and the phone. And that time, all the attention was on that thing they collected from the man. But one of them stood up, was making call, and they faced us. And we backed them. They faced us. So one of them was stood up making call with the umbrella. So I removed that thing they tied my face. My spirit told me now, I can escape now. I said no, I will escape in the midnight. My spirit said no, it better escape now. So in the midnight, you will not have that opportunity. And these people, they don't used to sleep in the night. I said okay, then I obeyed my spirit and I crept. And I gradually, I escaped. I ran inside the bush. It's how I escaped from.
Una dey see pure wisdom for this woman. And in fact, I go talk say this woman get luck. I know say some people go dey wonder say which kind story be this one? How come Reverend Sister say she get husband, she get 2 children, she get this one? Una no go understand because of say wetin. She talk all this one because of say wetin. She wan protect her life. This one na Reverend Sister wey don lie to save her own life. Because she don't reason and say if she no like this kind one, They no go leave her. Now wetin make her talk say na groundnut na she dey sell. Her sister na bread seller na because they don't reason say how much bread seller won't get because you don't know say bread seller chicken change last 100k. Now that one go fit get. They can't reason all this one. Now wetin make her decide say na the way out na be this one. And say why she can't there for this bandit day na there God can't talk to her say auntie na the time for you to run away be this. So say when they fall she can't reason and say now the only time for her to go with her escape route. Now there she can't carry her leg run this place. And by the time when she go see her last, now main road she can't go jam for. But I beg this bandit of I beg what it be on her main game. Because the money one they collect, make we know they show for on her body. No be so on they fresh. No be so on they I beg what in account they use the money do. I been a weapons now I just decide say on one they use this one they buy. Because I never see any bandit wey come outside they look fresh, wear chain. So I can't be like so now just they collect this money for useless sake. But auntie, you supposed go thank God as you be Reverend Sister. Go thank Virgin Mary say they don't help you do this one because if not by now your dead body for this. But I beg Nigerian police and army. Why be so no carry this woman now? Use her as tactics. At least she don't know road to where then this bandit dey. Why be so no go carry her say okay, make we go find where then this remaining people dey because she claims say other people still there. Now only her survive, but see no. Our soldier I no be na fear on they fear for our own life. I beg wetin make una come sign up. So una won't die for the country in which una say they fear gun. Una they fear bandits. Because me I don't reason say na the only way. Government no want do anything. Soldier self no want do anything. I beg now we ordinary people. Now we can't go they fight these people. Because these people now they don't carry them for head. And our president, you know they do anything about them. Now ain't go they open grazing. Say want open grazing for these people. I hope say boo boo Mr. President. I hope say they see now. Say the people where they fight, those conscious they fight for their freedom. The main people where you get problem now your village people, this Fulani men. Now them gon' be the problem. So I beg find how you go take tackle them these people because if you don't do one now, sooner or later, I no go surprise say these people go even come take this your own position. You will be president. Sooner or later, now them go come sit down for there. Say they won't be president because of say what honor don't they give them too much grace. Honor no they let people talk about their matter. It can't be like say the citizens they complain about them. Anything we on like as government now on just they do on they find anything tangible to do about them. But anyway, I thank God for this Reverend Sister life. Say nothing past like this happened to her. They no kill her, they no come out anything for her, and they no even beat her joint. So make she just go they thank God and make she thank her stars. And those of now when they travel, I beg make una dey careful. Road now no they say if you know say you no get money for flight, I beg just sit down for your house. If na witchcraft you go use they travel, just try use and travel because now we know say the road no dey safe. Anyway, my people, now here I go end them for today. If you get anything to talk about this one, write them inside the comment section. Stay tuned for our next story. Good day, my lovely viewers. Everybody where they watch me, I greet everybody according to their time. As it be like this, one big kasala don dey happen inside Asaba State. We hear say one bridge Abina road don break into two due to heavy rain wey fall. I no know be na rain of wetin I go even call am. Because we hear say this rain e just damage the e no even break am half. E break this thing inside the middle. And we hear say this bridge wey break na major road for inside this place wey they call Isoko Local Government South. Say now road wey be say everybody don dey pass and this road don dey there for the past 29 years. All of a sudden they come talk say rain fall and say because of this rain this one now don break. But we thank God say the thing no to cause damage. He say fine people wound though, but say nobody don die for this attack. For those of that we no watch wetin this rain cause, say abeg make una join me watch this video. My viewers, I hope so una shine on eye look well. I beg una sure say na rain, na only rain cause this one. I be it mean say this bridge don't they crack since it just be say they just turn deaf eye. They no just calm down, look and say this thing will still break. Because if you now watch these videos, una go notice say wait, common cement no dey inside this road wey they use to do bridge. Now just clay, red sand and they pack, fill and no know what they build. There they think say na child's play, they won't dig put for ground there. They can't go do and now come they come out and say this one a bridge. I beg, how you expect say this kind of bridge go last? In which you know say the necessary things on just carry substandard items. At least if they build bridge, they put all these iron things and inside. This one na just pack sand, put am say na bridge una dey build. And I no go surprise say this bridge, when they commission this, na thousands of billions of naira. Now they use to do this kind of thing. But I beg, why our government just dey in corruption and just fit us? So until when I go do right, and I no go do am. Some bridges dey since when person they don't even born person grandmama. Now that bridge don dey. Some bridge won't last for 80 years. Nothing don, in fact, e never break, e never crack. This one ordinary 29 years old, you never even turn to grandmama. You don't already dey break. Small rain wey fall, you don't on chop of break comot. But people say for una no dey, in fact, you know, just dey risk on life anyhow. Una watch this video say person still get mind. Go dey pass the side, abeg, na die you wan die, abi you just dey prepare say you wan kill yourself. Because something like this break, you know reason I say, make I dey go back my house on no road, abi make I go find another, you can't decide say you wan dey pass the edges. Later na go dey complain if person die, na go tell say na government or na village people. Sometimes na una common sense na im dey follow una. In which one suppose use na break, na no go use am. Na that time I go dey do mumu thing say na one comot. But abeg government, this one wey happen no be the first time. Na so inside north sef rain fall break bridge. Abeg which kind rain dey fall be say e dey break out? E mean say the people wey dey do this road, the constructors wey dey do am from the start, they no dey use better thing. And because say una say fast go, una no dey go there go monitor whatever they dey do. Una own na make dem just hand over money wey dey do their rubbish comot. Now wetin make all this kind thing dey happen? So abeg, this one wey don happen, abeg make it be the first and last. Make una find something to do about am, because people wey dey this on a locality, they even complain. See aside this bridge, na so the road no good. So many things don spoil for this Asaba here. So if they complain, make no come go be say you go come reach stage, you be say these people go come outside dey protest. So abeg, Mr. Governor, whoever you be, come outside, come do this kind of work now. This bridge, I don't know how many years it go take on it, because we know say Nigeria no be China. If say that China now, we go down the reason and say, okay, after wait till 1 month. 1 week, they don't fix it, but Nigeria, I no go surprise. Say, after 6 years, they see the pour sand inside this hole. But anyway, now here we did. As now go drop, we go end up seeing them. My people, I go end down for here today. If you not get anything to talk about this one, write them inside the comment section. Make now stay tuned for our next story.